Hello, in this video I'm gonna talk about can Samsung Galaxy A15 handle CarX Street? Let's check it out. I have already installed CarX Street from Play Store, so I will simply open it. I have played CarX Street for more than 2 minutes on the default graphics. It did not run smoothly. It started lagging. So no, Samsung Galaxy A15 cannot handle this game. If you like the gaming inside, please like the video and subscribe the channel.